Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to do some songs for the people that's in the chat. We gotta show their name, some love. Let's get it. Yeah. We gonna go in the order from when they came in and work our way down. Let's get it. I'm saying that cheeky baby, I'm saying your name today. I'm over here today, I'm showing love my way. I seen the robber again, oh yes he hold it down. I'm over here today, yes I'm gonna hold it down. I seen the Reverend Terminator, yes he come in the chat. Saying I'm over here today and I like it like that. We sing and we dancing and we showing some love. So everybody likes to stand up. So let's go. Six the boat is back. Now I see in you. Yes, I'm over here. Yes, I sing for you. You showing love over here to the J. I also know your name, I have a J today, ayy. So living life a lesson, showing love. So I just see you in the chat, but still I'm getting up. I want to get up, I sing your name with my chest. Oh yes, I sing your name and all of y'all are the best. I also sing the Buddha of the destiny, the namaste. She over there and she gonna tell you namaste. We wishing you the best and yes, we say it right. We say it with some pride, everybody get it right. Hey, I wanna go and say your name. I wanna go and say your name. I wanna go and say your name. No older can I say your name. So Blue the chicken, yes I see you, yes you seeing me. They say you got that Blue the chicken up and in the street. But now that there's you running down with the words. So yes I'm over here, they said I could have been a third. So Destiny Forever Walker PhD. I see you over there to hold it down for me. So now I'll put your name on in the song as we rise. The people talk about the older, no, I'm not surprised. So now I'm seeing the RH nails in the house, but still I'm over here and I'm running my mouth. She's over there, she doing nails and she on some cruise. She doing everything and you know she like to do. She's over there in the south, yeah she hold it down. She got the cute little girl, so over there she flossing now. She got them size and them color and she switch it up. She over there today and you know that what is up. So I seen a Miss Queen sun kiss. Oh yes, I'm over here to give her a sun kiss. But now we over here to showing love straight to you. So let me say I am the Jada and I'm thanking you. We got to eat to with the sky. Yes, I in the sky. Some people looking at me and the other wonder why. I want to say your name, but I'm not gonna say bye. I'm telling everybody and I'm gonna tell you how. What is up?